Hello, future entrepreneurs. Jermaine back here with another video from TrueFreedomIncome.com. Hope you guys are doing awesome today. Hope you are having a great weekend. Today, we've made it to day number 189 of this My Legion Secret Challenge. And if you guys have no idea what I'm talking about, we are shooting a 1 year challenge where we are promoting one offer from a place called ClickBank, and we're using a service called My Legion Secret. We're putting those two together. We're somehow seeing if we can earn a steady income doing so within 1 year. All right. So go back and watch these previous videos in this challenge so you can see where we started versus where we are right now. Okay. So we're on day number 189. Let's go ahead and hop right into this video. This is My Legion Secret, guys. If you don't know what My Legion Secret is, My Legion Secret is an email service that provides 100 to 200 business opportunity leads every single day. Okay. So you'll have new subscribers coming in every single day. All right. Now, what separates the two, whether you get 100 or 200 leads, is going to determine how many accounts that you have. So the more accounts that you have, the more likely you'll have 200 per account. Okay. But if you only have one account, you're only just going to get that 100 leads. So you have to have multiple accounts in order to get 200 leads per account. All right. So the cool thing about My Legion Secrets, they allow you to have multiple accounts and you can stack your own accounts. So you can literally sign up. And then once you sign up, you can sign up underneath your own affiliate link, which is right here. So you would sign up for your account, sign out of the one that you just started, and then put this into the browser and sign up underneath your own account link, and you stack your accounts that way. Okay. Now, a little bit about myself. I've been with My Legion Secrets over a few years now. I totally love the service. I promoted tons of different offers to this traffic, and I can tell you that it does work. It does convert. I have received paychecks from My Legion Secret, and I've received paychecks from other affiliate networks, from multiple affiliate networks. Okay, so I can tell you that it does work, and these leads do convert. All right. The only thing about this traffic, guys, this is cold traffic. So these people have no idea who you are. So what you would have to do is you're going to have to get this list of people warmed up to your offer. Okay. So this is not one of those programs, or this is not a solo ad program network where you can go and send out one email blast and start making, hundreds and hundreds of dollars the next day or next week or something like that. Okay. This is a different type of business. Okay. This traffic is just a little bit different. Okay. It's just cold traffic. All right. So with cold traffic, it takes, subscribers a little bit longer to figure out if they want to join you or not. All right. So, like I said, I've been with them for a while. I have about 8 different accounts. It takes me about 5 to 10 minutes to send out my emails every single day. Okay. So me, I like sending out my emails at night. You don't have to do it at night. You could do it early in the morning, afternoon, whatever time works best for you. But I just like sending them at night. In anywhere between 9 to before midnight is when I like sending out my emails. Okay. So there's going to be two different ways that you can make money with My Legion Secret. Okay, I'm gonna go over those with you. Okay, number one, is just promoting My Legion Secret itself as a company. You can literally go into the mailing system right here and then create your own email, insert this affiliate link into your email, and then send that out to the traffic. Okay, for the day, and you will start earning income with that. Okay, or you can also go over here to affiliates. On this promo tools tab, you come down here, you're going to be able to use these emails right here. These are free pre-written email swipes that work really well. So you can basically just pick one of these emails and it'll just click right here where it says import email into the mailing system. It'll just import your email into the mailing system, and it'll take you right into there. All you would have to do is just select your emails that you want to send out to. And then you want to come down here. As you can see, it already has a title for you in the subject line right here. Okay. And then also it has a email that's already pre-populated in the body right here. Okay. So you scroll down, as you can see, we also have our clickable affiliate link right here. You want to click on perfect timing. Make sure there's a check mark there. And then you come down here and click send. Now you're not able to see it right now because I've already sent out my email in this account. Okay. But you'll be able to see either send now or preview. You just click on send now. This email is going to go out to all your subscribers. Okay. And what's going to happen is it's going to open up the email. Okay. A percentage of those people are going to open up the email. Then another percentage of those people are going to actually read the email. And then a smaller percentage of those people will click on this link. Okay. So once they click on the link, it takes them to your affiliate page, your landing page, and then your affiliate page is going to do all the selling and telling for you. Okay. So that's the cool thing about sending out these emails. There's nothing special that you got to do. You just got to make sure you have a good email and make sure that you have a link ready to go, a clickable link ready to go. Okay. So that's going to be one way to make money with the My Legion Secret system is, like I said, just promoting My Legion Secret. Okay. The other way is going to be using an affiliate network such as ClickBank, Warrior Plus, JV Zoo, Max Bounty, Blue Media Ventures. There's tons of different affiliate networks that you guys can go and join, okay, for free. All right, and start using some of their business opportunity offers for this traffic, okay? Because this My Legion Secret traffic, these people care about making money online. They want to learn how to make money. Okay. So it's our job as affiliate marketers is to go out and we grab offers that are related to making money online and we send it to this traffic. Okay. And then once people sign up, they subscribe and then eventually they start purchasing the program. Okay. So that is the method, guys. So those are going to be the two popular ways. For the sake of this video, we are using an affiliate network, and we are using ClickBank for this challenge. And the reason why is because this traffic responds very well to My Legion Secret. I mean, not to My Legion Secret. It responds very well to the offers on ClickBank. Okay. So something about those offers work really well with this traffic, and that's why we are using it. And if you've been watching these videos, you can see how consistent the sales are with ClickBank. Okay, so those are going to be the two popular ways to make money, okay, with this system. All right. I just, went over that with you. There's going to be three different ways to send out an email in the My Legion secret system. Okay. Number one is to just create an email. If you're good at ad copy and just coming up with stuff and, coming up with really good material off the top of your head, come up with, create your own email. Okay. That's going to work really well doing that because that separates you from everyone else and nobody else has that email that you're sending out. All right. And then also you would just grab an affiliate link and you insert that into your offer and then click that, send that out to your traffic, and then you will get, traffic that way. That's one way to send out an email. The second way is going to be using some kind of email AI service or a chat GPT. You can literally just go in and have it, create you an email based on the offer that you're promoting. Okay, that's another way that you can do it. That's pretty quick to do. The third way is going to be using the free pre-written email swipes that come with the offer, okay, on ClickBank. All right. And that's what I'll recommend that you guys start out first. Okay. Use those pre-written email swipes on ClickBank because they work really well. And they go with the offer. Okay. So everything is congruent. So you have an offer that talks about a job opportunity. And then once they go to the landing page, that landing page talks about the job opportunity as well, and it takes them through a funnel. Okay, and now once they enter in this funnel, the funnel is going to do all the following up and all the cool stuff to get your prospect to purchase the program. Okay, so that's going to be what I would recommend you guys doing first, is because it's a system that's already set up in that email. All you have to do is copy and paste it over. All right. Now you can go back and watch my previous videos in the beginning of this challenge. I go in a little bit more detail on how to go grab an offer from ClickBank and then send it over to this traffic, guys. So go back and watch those previous videos. I'm just going to show you an email, what it would look like from one of those offers on ClickBank. So if I click on one of my emails, what's it going to give you guys? It's going to give you a subject line that all you have to do is copy, paste it over to your subject line. It's already going to give you a pre-written email to use as well, a pre-written email swipe. All you have to do is turn this into a clickable link, okay, and then send this out to your traffic. All right. So it talks about the job opportunity, the income opportunity, and then also you have a call to action down here at the bottom, letting our prospects know to click here to get started. Okay. Now, once they click on that link, it's going to take them to your personal affiliate page, and that affiliate link is going to, the affiliate page is going to do all the selling and telling for you. It's going to describe the job opportunity. It's going to tell them how to get started. Once they get started, they opt into the page. They can decide to buy, or if they don't, the automated email autoresponder is going to follow up with that prospect until they decide to buy. Okay, which is very, very powerful, is because not a lot of people just don't buy based on just clicking and just getting started right away. Okay, most people, it takes them at least about 7 to 30 days to decide if they want to purchase this program, or go further along. Okay, so some people will sign up right then, but most people are going to it's going to take them a little bit to get warmed up to the idea of what the offer is. Okay, and once they start seeing it over and over and over again, then they'll decide to purchase the program. Okay, or if someone is very desperate to start making money and they want to get started right away, they will get started right away. And there's some people that there's a percentage of people that will just get started right away and buy the program just like that. Okay. And it happens all the time. All right. So those are going to be the three ways to send out the emails with My Lead Gen Secret. Like I said, just use the pre-written email swipes from ClickBank. I'm going to take you over here to ClickBank. All right. So this is one of my ClickBank accounts. I'm using this account specifically just for the My Legion Secret program. Okay, so I created this brand new ClickBank account at the beginning of this challenge. Okay, so basically, it separates my other ClickBank accounts. This is just basically we're using nothing but My Legion Secret traffic, so you can kind of know what to expect if you were to get started. All right. So let's go in here. ClickBank is a free affiliate network where you can go and promote tons of different offers. The offers that we are after are the business opportunity offers, which are in the e-business, e-marketing section on ClickBank. So basically, they have about 4 different offers that you would use from there. You can pick any one of those offers. They're all 4 of them are going to work because I've already tested them already. So there's about 4 top offers on there that you're going to be able to use, and all of them have free pre-written email swipes that you can use, and all you have to do is copy and paste them over. Like I was telling you before, go back and watch those previous videos so you can kind of see what offers that are available on ClickBank. Okay, but go ahead and get your ClickBank account started. I don't have any links or anything like that to sell you on or anything. Just go there and use it. Now you don't have to use ClickBank. Like I said, you can use other networks. Warrior Plus works really good, and also JV Zoo works good, and Max Bounty is another good one, which is a good, very popular CPA network. But it does take a few days to get into that program. Okay, there's some qualifications that you got to have. All right. So this is the back office of my ClickBank account. Okay. Today is November the 2nd. As you can see down here, it is November the 2nd. Just to let you know, this is real time. This is not some kind of fake screenshot or anything like that. These are real results. Okay. So what I like doing is doing the last 30 days so you can kind of see the algorithm on what to expect if you guys are where to get started. Okay. As you can see, this algorithm has been pretty consistent and is, actually pretty good. Okay. So this is what you can expect between months 3 and 6 of starting this challenge. All right. So we're getting sales back to back right here. We may miss a couple days. Looks like we missed a couple days here. We got them back to back. We missed one day. Okay. But came back and got sales back to back. Okay. I mean, as you can see, this is just kind of the algorithm. I just wanted to show you guys what this looks like. Right here, we missed a couple days. We came back and got a sale, and then we missed a day. But then check this out: we got 4 sales in a row. Okay, which is really good. We missed a day, and then we got 2 sales back to back. Which is we got a sale today. Okay, which is really good. So the algorithm looks like it is picking up right here. It's been pretty consistent right here, but now we're in month number 6. So the results are they're going to start climbing. Okay. Things are going to start going a little bit further. Okay. And we're going to start making a little bit more money. Okay. So I just wanted to give you guys a heads up on what to expect in these later months. The more traffic, and remember, the more traffic, the more times that people see these offers, the more they're going to start signing up. Okay. So, like I said, 7 to 30 days of someone seeing an offer, they're going to start signing up. Okay. And that's the cool thing about ClickBank, why I love them so much, is that they pay every single Friday. Okay. They pay every single week. Okay. So every single Friday, I have a check coming to me, or I got my direct deposit, that I'll have money coming every single Friday, which is pretty cool. So that's the cool thing about this method too, guys, is because the traffic that you see is month in and month out, and it just only keeps going, it keeps growing. Okay. So this isn't just not a month and then the next month we don't make anything. This is consistent. This is something that you can depend on each and every week. Okay. As long as you're sending out your emails every single day and you're not missing days, this money is just going to keep coming in every single week. Okay. Which is very, very powerful. And I mean, are you someone looking for extra income? Are you someone that needs some extra income, maybe to help pay some bills, put some gas in the car, maybe pay up, your electric bill, gas bill, maybe help with food, right? Maybe help with, car payment or with your rent or mortgage, right? This is just the type of income that's going to be able to help you with those extra bills, okay? Now, if you do this long enough, I mean, you can get this thing up to, $1,500 to $2,000 a month, all the way up to $5,000 a month. There's people doing it. Okay. So I just wanted to come in and tell you guys what's possible for you. I wanted to show you the results from, the last 30 days and recently right here where we're getting sales back to back. So I just wanted to show you that. We're going to have a great week. I can feel it. But let me show you guys how to get started today. I left the link below this video. So if you come down here, click on the More tab, click on the MLGS True Freedom. It's going to take you to the landing page. It's going to show you how to get started. Okay. Let's see if it loads up for me. My internet may be going a little slower. So if you come down here, you're going to see all these testimonials. Okay. Look at all these people that are making money with this program. Okay. These are people that are actually promoting My Legion Secret itself. Okay. And then as you come down here, there's just multiple people making money. Okay. Now, as you can see, this is Warrior Plus. This is another affiliate network that I was telling you before where people are making money. So don't take my word for it. There's other people doing it. All right. So click on right here. It says join MLGS now. Get started. Pay your $60. It's $30 a month to keep the service. It's a no brainer, guys. So I recommend you guys go ahead and get started today. If you do get started, send me a message, comment below, let me know that you did get started. I do got some bonus emails that I want to send you guys. That way you can hit the ground running a little bit quicker than most people. Okay. So go ahead and get started. Also, please like and subscribe to this channel. It just helps the algorithm. It helps get this message out to other people out here that are looking to make money online. So please like and share this video and subscribe to this channel, okay? Because there's going to be a lot of cool stuff that we're going to be doing during this challenge, all right? So I'm going to end this video on that note. I've already sent out my emails tonight, so I'm going to come back here tomorrow at the same time, same place. All right, guys. Peace.